Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Welcome to our channel where we explore the beauty and depth of Islamic teachings. In today's episode, we will delve into the significance of Monday Dua during the blessed month of Dhul Hijjah. Dhul Hijjah is among the most sacred months in the Islamic calendar. It's the time when millions around the world embark on the pilgrimage of Hajj, seeking forgiveness and closeness to Allah. Each day of Dhul Hijjah holds immense spiritual weight, and the first 10 days are considered among the best days for worship. One of the powerful and beneficial practices during Dhul Hijjah is reciting specific duas. Known for its promise to open 99 doors of Rizq, provision, success, and blessings, the Monday Dua is particularly revered. According to tradition, reciting this dua with sincerity and pure intention on Mondays of Dhul Hijjah has potential to multiply what we get from Allah, opening doors to unimaginable opportunities and prosperity. Indeed, in Islam, Rizq isn't limited to material wealth. It encompasses everything from knowledge, health, family, and the ability to perform good deeds. This gives us a broader perspective on blessings that Allah bestows upon His followers. Here is how you can incorporate the Monday Dua into your spiritual routine. 1. Begin with full faith. Trust in the power and mercy of Allah. 2. Sincerity of intention. Aim to improve your relationship with Allah and seek His guidance in all matters. 3. Regularity and consistency. Make it a habit to recite on Mondays, especially during Dhul Hijjah, for the promise of opening doors to abundance. Remember, the objective is to nurture a closer connection with Allah, which in turn brings about a life filled with success and blessings. As a follower of Muhammad, peace be upon him, it's crucial to understand that duas are a vital form of communication with Allah. They keep us grounded, focused, and remind us of our purpose. Now, a question for you viewers to ponder. How has the practice of dua transformed your life and spiritual journey? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's learn from each other's experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on Islamic practices. We appreciate your support immensely. Thank you for watching, and may Allah's blessings be with you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.